What if the car you're driving today becomes outdated in just few years because in the Philippines a major shift is happening. And here are 15 powerful reasons why the future is electric. Let's start with the biggest drivers. Rising fuel prices. Gas price is unpredictable. Lower running costs. EVs are up to 70% cheaper per kilometer. Less maintenance, no oil and fewer parts. Instant torque, smooth, fast, and silent. Ideal for traffic. EVs are efficient and stop and go conditions. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Expanding charging network in the malls, highways, and cities, and some places. Home charging convenience, plug in overnight like you are charging your cell phone. Government incentives, policies are supporting EV adoption like EVIDA law. Environmental benefits, lower emission, and technology advantage, smart features, software updates. This is not just a car upgrade, it's a technology shift. Now, think about your daily drive. Lower long term cost, savings add up yearly, growing EV options, more brands entering in the Philippines. Resale potential, future demand is increasing, perfect for daily commutes. Most trips are under 50 kilometers. Changing mindset. Filipinos are becoming more cost aware, more eco conscious, more tech driven, and that's driving the shift. What does this mean? The future of driving in the Philippines is not gasoline, it's electric. And the earlier you understand this shift, the more prepared you will be for what's coming next. The future is not something that will happen someday. It's already happening today. And electric vehicles are leading the change. If you want to understand how much you can really save, watch this next video and the numbers may surprise you. Thank you for watching.